Hi, in this video we are going to talk about CodeIgniter installation. For this video I will be using some, so you might as well install this one. For Windows, click here. For Linux, here. And for Mac OS, click here. And also, everything that we will be doing in this video will be based on the documentation of CodeIgniter, so you might as well check the documentation of CodeIgniter for more information. The first step that we are going to do is to download the installer of CodeIgniter. Okay, download this one. We'll just wait for that to be downloaded successfully. Now that we have finished downloading the installer, let us open the file. After opening, you will see the folder the same as the name of the file that we have downloaded. Click that folder. In here we can see the files of CodeIgniter. So this is the one that we will be copying or extracting to your folder. Okay, next is I will go to drive C where the XAMPP is installed. So let us click XAMPP, htdocs, and create a folder. Name it to users. For our entire tutorial, I will be creating a user management system. So from here to the end of our tutorial to the other topics, I will be using user management system as a demo. So for this, I will be naming our folder as users. Then what I will do is highlight everything and extract it inside the users folder. And now we have extracted all of the files that we need for our installation. First, let me check if XAMPP is already running. As you can see, Apache is not running, so we need to start that. For MySQL, we need not to start that, but in our future topics we will be using MySQL. But as of now, we do not need to start this. Then I will minimize the control panel of XAMPP and let us try to access this one. Okay, localhost / since we named it to users, we need to use the users folder. As you can see, it is now working, but before we end our session, we need first to set some things that we may use later for our other topics. So I will go to the users folder, then application, config, then open config.php. The thing that we need to do here is to set the base URL of our website. To do that, we need to insert the base URL. So in our case, we need to copy this one, the URL of our project. So what I will do is right click and copy, then paste it here and save the file. Okay, next let us test if it is still working. Okay, I'll refresh it and it is still working. And that's it for the CodeIgniter installation. Stay tuned for our next topics. Thank you.